A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. So let us talk about Zimbabwe and its resources. Hans Panapana Alinaka, Zimbabwe has lucrative rare earth minerals, second only to China. These are used in rare earth elements, REEs, are used as components in high technology devices, including smartphones, digital cameras, computer hard disks, fluorescent and light emitting diodes, LED lights, flat screen televisions, computer monitors, and electronic displays. Amazon is playful. It's time. From this tweet, I want to explain the reason why Chinese are everywhere, the reason why Chinese are doing whatever they want. Chinese will come and say we are mining A, yet they are mining B, C, D, E. And the government of Zimbabwe won't know about all this. So you just find out makomba akacherwa pese pese. Why? It's because the Chinese do not want to declare these rare elements, these minerals, which are very important because they are worth millions. So Zimbabwe will continue to buy things from China, will continue to import things from other countries, instead of them to bring experts in Zimbabwe who are going to start manufacturing things, who are going to start developing things, teaching our own people. You will continue to see the education sector will continue to focus on useless things. You'll be told about mashu, about insects. You'll be told about useless things in school. You'll be told about useless history in school. Instead of focusing on real things, you'll be told about Homo sapiens sapien, Homo erectus, Homo habilis. And you'll be marked somebody who is highly intelligent when you are able to memorize Homo sapiens sapien, Homo erectus, all the stages of evolution. You will be graded an A-class student. Yet if you go to China, if you go to Germany, if you go to developed countries, these kids will be exposed to real issues. These kids will be exposed to how to make a robot, how to make a diode, how to make a television, how to make a smartphone and its components. And they will come here to Zimbabwe, dig our minerals, take our minerals, go with them. For an example, there is mineral itori across Zimbabwe yekuti ukangofambisa something chiri magnetic paground unotoona chinhu ichocho chatozara magnetic things atopapa that magnet. I don't know that mineral, but kana kwakuri kuti we have learnt about those minerals. Right now we would be able to discover kuti this is a mineral inonzi chakati, this is a mineral inonzi chakati. There is something which I discovered on a rock recently. It's like, if you take a look on it, it's like gold, but it's not gold. To those who know gold, they will tell you this is not gold. But if you closely look at it, you'll be convinced that it's gold. That is a rare mineral which we have here in Zimbabwe. It's there. It's there. But even if you go to anybody, you'll be told that it's not gold. But the question is, what is that mineral? Where do we go with such rocks to see what kind of mineral is this? We don't have research labs in Zimbabwe. So you see that our people will not have expertise. Even if you go with it to any university, you won't be able, they won't be able to tell you that this is a mineral called ABCD. It might be a very, very important mineral, but the people of Zimbabwe are not knowing anything about it. Why? It's because we have a government which is sleeping on duty. It's because we have a leadership which is sleeping on duty. We have leadership which is focused on making repressive laws, not focused on making money for the people, not focused on building the economy for the people. That is the problem we have. That is the challenge we have. That is the reason why we are saying Emerson must be arrested. Emerson must be removed from power on 23 August. Let us have Nelson Chamisa. Let us have a new team which is going to focus on developing Zimbabwe, which is going to focus on making sure that we recognize the value, true value of Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is very, very, very valuable in terms of mineral deposits, but we don't know about it. Only the foreigners, they know about it because they come to Zimbabwe, they start doing farming, vachitora mari vachienda. That is the reason why if you go to region 4-5, the areas of Mwenezi, there are people who are claiming we want to be investors here. It's not about grass, it's about the minerals which are on the surface. But we don't know about them. But they know about them because they were taking samples. And you will be thinking they were taking soil samples for farming, yet they were taking samples for mining. So where are we going as a country? The only thing is to remove Emmerson Mnangagwa. The only thing is to replace Emmerson Mnangagwa with Nelson Chamisa. So it's an interesting debate about the REE secularity, the China dominance, and also Indo-Pacific nexus. The current geopolitics around germanium and gallium used in the semiconductor industry, but of course it's highly unlikely that the REE traces in ZIM are economically viable. They are economically viable. That is the reason why Chinese are taking to as samples. They will tell you, we are taking this as a sample to Chakati, we are taking this as a sample. Because you don't need them in huge quantities, just need them in very small quantities. And you'll be told these are samples. So, because you don't know about those minerals, you just let them go. I doubt kuti intelligence dzedu kunotorine vanhu vanotobva ku school of mines vachijoina intelligence dzemuZimbabwe such that they identify kuti no, this is a mineral yakati, this is a mineral yakati iri kubudwa nayo. So you say kuti we are going now as a country because we don't know the potential, the actual potential of Zimbabwe. This is the reason why we are saying let us vote for Nelson Chamisa. Let us vote for his councillors, for his MPs, and make sure that Zimbabwe gets recognition world over.